Repairing diodes is a crucial skill for anyone working with electronics. First, understand that diodes allow current to flow in one direction, making them essential for tasks like converting AC to DC. Testing is key. Use a multimeter to check for forward voltage. A healthy diode shows about 0.2 to 0.7 volts. If it reads OL, it's likely faulty. Common issues include open circuits, where the diode won't conduct, or short circuits, where it conducts in both directions. If you find a bad diode, replacing it is often the best option. Just make sure to match the specifications of the original. With a little practice, you'll be troubleshooting diodes like a pro.